Then, first, the type of wood that we use is from poplar tree. Yes? We can cut it by hand, costs a lot of time, a lot of money, nobody can buy it. So we do it with the machine, takes less than 2-3 minutes. That machine outside cutting, with this machine we cut inside. We hang them up to let them dry for 2 weeks or longer. And we polish it, we paint it, and then we sell them to Happy Lady from India. The blank shoes behind you, they are still very popular. Why? They're very, very cheap, and we use them for working in the garden. Yes? Then we have yellow. Yellow is the traditional working shoe for farmers from Amsterdam. Why Amsterdam? The symbol standing on it. Who knows what's the symbol of Amsterdam? No. It is very easy. When you're sitting on school, you have something wrong. What do you get? No. On paper. What do you get?
Marks.
An X.
Cross.
A cross. Very good. Take 3 of it and you have the symbol of Amsterdam. 3 crosses, yes. It's very easy, huh? Yes. Did you see it also? It was right under your nose.
Oh, they're very light.
Yes. Then we have the red shoe. The red shoe, it's a very funny shoe. Why? We use it for dancing. And we do not go to the disco with it. No. We have a special dance in Holland called the wooden shoe dance. That's the only thing I'm not gonna show you today. No dancing.
When do y'all do the dance?
Sorry?
When do you do those dance?
I never in my life, and I'm not gonna do it ever in my life.
But generally you do on the occasions, right? Festive.
Especially by parties, by farmers.
And on the marriage also.
Marriage, yes. Yes.
So you're not married.
Sorry?
So you're not married.
ആ പാറ്റേണിലും കട്ടിയാണ് ബ്ലാക്ക് കണ്ട അതനുസരിച്ചാൽ പോണം അത് ഇടയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞു
Excellent.
Yes. Okay. This one we call shoe from house. Only we make it. You can only find it here. Yes. Then we can wear them. They are orthopedic. What means?
Orthopedic, huh?
Clean cut how your feet has to be. No cold feet. No sweaty feet. Still not made in China. No. Only when you want to try them on for a picture or want to buy them, one size bigger. They walk like slippers. Small children. Hello, small men.
Coconut cheese.
Correct, kasi coconut. These are souvenirs like you can buy, I think.
Yes.
You like it? You like it? It's too big for you.
Even I want.
But first see, it is comfortable or not for you.
Let's try. I try this. I try this one. I'll try this one.
Souvenirs വല്ലതും
Mama,
आपका सीरियस पिकी है
This is plastic or wood? Wooden.
ये वेजिटेरियन चीज है
तो ये तो कर ले कैलेंडर बाकी लेके मैं तो सोच रही हूँ शू तो लेना है एक तो ले लीजिए अपना भी है अपना नहीं चाहिए शू भी हो गया अपना भी हो गया ये अच्छा है